With Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference 2025 set for June 9th, excitement is steadily building. Traditionally focused on software, this year's event is anticipated to bring both major software announcements and potential hardware reveals. From iOS and iPadOS redesigns to possible new devices like the AirTag 2 and updated Mac Pro, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's break down 6 major software highlights and 5 expected hardware releases. Starting with software, the most anticipated update is iOS 19. Expected to deliver the most significant visual redesign since iOS 7. Inspired by Vision OS, it may feature more transparent UI elements, rounded edges, 3D panels, and revamped app icons. These changes will make the overall interface look more modern and cohesive, especially resolving inconsistent UI elements like duplicate toggles in the Camera app. Another big iOS 19 update is the addition of Stage Manager for external displays. Though full split-screen multitasking isn't coming yet, iPhones with USB-C ports, iPhone 15 and newer, will support this new feature, offering a Samsung DeX-like desktop experience. With a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, users can effectively turn their iPhone into a mini computer. Additionally, Apple is set to relocate in-app search bars to the bottom of the screen on large iPhones, which will improve navigation, although this may require developers to adapt their apps accordingly. Apple Intelligence, the company's smart system, will also see improvements across more first-party apps. However, major context-aware Siri upgrades have been postponed to 2026 or even 2027. On the iPad side, iPadOS 19 will mirror the design changes of iOS 19, with enhanced multitasking via Stage Manager, now featuring a persistent menu bar like macOS. While many users still wish for full macOS functionality on iPads, the update still represents a meaningful step forward. In contrast, macOS 15 isn't expected to get much more than minor UI refreshes and performance tweaks. Similarly, watchOS 12 will inherit some design cues from iOS 19, but won't undergo a full redesign like watchOS 10. It's also getting some Apple Intelligence-powered coaching, though these features will operate via the iPhone or cloud, not directly on the watch itself. Many users, however, are simply hoping for more watch faces. Vision OS 3 appears to be a big update, with tech insider Mark Gurman calling it feature-packed. While specifics are scarce, we can expect more first-party apps and immersive environments. One major user request is for smaller font and UI scaling, as current elements often feel too large, especially when trying to use multiple apps in the virtual desktop environment. Scaling improvements would greatly enhance usability. As for tvOS 19, it's expected to receive mostly visual updates to align it with the redesigned aesthetics of iOS 19 and macOS 15. Apple Intelligence features won't be available yet, as the current Apple TV model from 2022 still runs on the A15 chip, which doesn't support them. We may need to wait until Apple releases an upgraded Apple TV later this year for those features. Turning to hardware, we may finally see the launch of the AirTag 2, expected sometime mid-2025. Possibly around WWDC, this new version will likely keep the same design, but include a second-gen ultra-wideband chip, tripling its range. There's also speculation about Vision Pro integration, allowing users to see AirTags through walls, an exciting prospect. Another possible reveal is a refreshed Mac Pro. While the Mac Studio was recently updated with M3 Ultra chips, the current Mac Pro still runs on the older M2 Ultra. A WWDC launch of a new Mac Pro with the M3 Ultra chip makes sense, though it likely won't come with additional upgrades, keeping its value proposition limited compared to the more compact and affordable Mac Studio. Apple may also unveil a new Pro Display XDR. The original debuted alongside the Mac Pro in 2019, and rumors suggest a mini LED version could be on the way, offering improved contrast and potentially higher refresh rates thanks to Thunderbolt 5. Another rumored display is a second-gen Studio display, still 27 inches, but now with mini LED backlighting and perhaps a refresh rate bump, though 90 Hz seems unlikely given Apple's usual standards. Finally, Apple may reveal the long-rumored Apple Home Hub, an iPad mini-style display docked to a HomePod-style speaker. It's designed to serve as a smart home controller, attachable to walls or surfaces magnetically, much like Google's Nest Hub or Pixel tablet. Though initially expected in early 2025, it might be delayed to 2026 due to ongoing Siri development issues. If not delayed, WWDC could be its big debut. With all these announcements on the horizon, iOS 19 stands out as the most anticipated update for many fans. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more updates. As WWDC 2025 approaches, hit the like button and subscribe for more details.